Alright, well, this is our fireworks show. I'm going to shoot off today, August 1st, 2015. We started off here. A lot of smaller cakes. And the Roman candle rack. We get into some of the bigger cakes back here. You get past some of these bigger cakes, the zipper cakes. Back in here is the artillery. A lot of different ones. You got two 10-shot racks here. They're filled with the black mambas. One's with slow fuse, and that one's with slow fuse. This one's with perfect fuse. And jump in over here, and we've got 10-shot rack of lock and load. 10-shot rack of HD shells. Another 10-shot rack of pro shells. A couple little 4-shot racks here. I think one of them has Aftermath and the other one has Diablo. Bought this little rack here just to throw in some extra. We've got the sides down here are smoke and mirrors. In the middle is the Predator shell. A 24-shot rack of exterminators. Another 24-shot rack with the Excalibur in it. Both of them set with perfect fuse. We got 4 squad leaders. Be some nice noise. And then we got a big old box of bombs, and I never seen anybody shoot them all 4 off at the same time, so we've just put them all together and ready to see them go off. And get over here to the finale. A couple 350-gram cakes, a couple 200-gram cakes, 500 grams, 500, 200. More 500, and a little 200 grammers, and then we got 2 Guerrilla Warfare, 2 Fighting Rooster. And to go off with it, we'll have 25 shots of just some Mad Dog, Red Devil, and Festival Balls, and some artillery shells going off. And there's the show. Up there in the corner up here, I've got an area where I'm going to do some hand lighting to start everything off and let everything go. I'll videotape it and post a video on it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think.